Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I want to show you some more of the advanced elements available in VisionX. In this case, I want to go over a component table with you. To do that, I will need to first create a new screen. I'll name it Component Table and choose an empty layout. Once I have my new screen, I want to drag and drop a panel from the left side to the center. Next, I will create a new table with the data from an existing data model. For this example, I will use my customers table. We often get comments from customers saying they don't want a typical UI table in their screen. While a typical table often works great, sometimes you might want a bit more flexibility in your design. One option I will show you now is a component table. I'll just drag and drop my component table element found on the left-hand side under data links. I want to make sure to stretch it over the entire screen. Now I can pick and choose the components for my list view. I want the customer's name, their address, their zip code, and their city next to the zip code. I also want to stretch the address field a bit, as that will usually have the most characters. Next, I'll add my preview checkbox. And I need to remember to add a label to it so I know what it is. As you can see, it will repeat for each customer, creating a nice list view. Usually I'll also want to add a search box as well when I have a lot of data, which I will put at the top. Let's have a look at it in the live preview now. After I enter my login information, I can see my component table clearly. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.